Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In many of my Sumi-e landscape workshops, my, I have been focusing on different topics such as how to paint waterfall, how to paint moving waters and waves, cloud and mist, and things like that. And then many of my students has requested if I will focus on the texture stroke. There are so many different kind of texture stroke that we can use in Sumi-e landscape. The Asian master has created a great library of different kinds of stroke that we can work on. There are stroke that look like wing drops. There are stroke that look like little dots. And then we also have strokes that look like hand and like a rope and things like that. So in order for us to actually dive into the use of texture stroke for classic Sumi landscape in the coming year, what I'm going to do is in many of my Sumi landscape workshops, I will focus on how to use a particular kind of shun or texture stroke. And our first lessons that I will be working on the texture strokes is what we call the X stroke. X cut is actually a very popular texture stroke and one of the ones that I really like to use. And in this particular lessons, we are not only covering one, but two texture stroke, the big X cut and also the small X cut. So in this workshop, we'll discuss the use of texture stroke and then dive into the use of the X stroke, how to execute it, and also how to apply it. And for example, in this particular landscape, we'll use the big X cut for the size of cliff to provide different kind of texture, but not only large X stroke, we can also use it in a shorter way and we can create texture of rocks and cliffs and mountains and shade it in a way that, look like cutting by an axe. So I would like to see you in our first landscape workshop that focus on texture stroke, and we will be starting with the X cut. Hope to see you in my workshop. Thank you.